Wow, you have a good setup today, man. Look at you. You have a new shoes, Adidas. Look at this, and has new shoes, and there is one. Ah?
This is from Ansar Gallery.
Sponsor from Ansar Gallery. Dahil super lamig, kaganda ng weather ngayon dito. Of course, kasama natin si Ishan. Look at Ishan.
Thank you to the UAE for giving me, my parents, a good work, and for giving me a good future ahead. عيد الاتحاد السعيد.
Wow, bilis mo na magpatakbo ah. So, yan guys, yan. Dito tayo ngayon sa may park dito sa Dubai. Ito yung Al Mutina Park. So, today is walang pasok dahil UAE National Day. So, yan. Gumising tayo ng maaga. Just, this is our weekly routine. Yan. This is our weekly routine. Gumising tayo and just do biking today with these guys. It's something na kakaiba siya. This is we are calling it routine breaker. This is Al Mutina Park. Hip, hip, hip. How fast you are? I'm coming. Careful, look at your front.
No.
I'm coming to catch you. So yan guys, another day, another biking tayo ngayon dito. Yan, umagang-umaga ngayon dito sa Dubai. It's UAE National Day guys. So kaya wala tayong pasok and napag-isipan nating mag dawar-dawar dito again. Ito yung of course ito yung weekly routine natin, mag-bike throughout Dubai. And yeah, napakaganda ng pakiramdam dahil super lamig, kaganda ng weather ngayon dito. Of course, sama natin si Ishan. Look at Ishan. Wow, you have a good setup today, man. Look at you. You have a new shoes, Adidas. Look at Ishan has new shoes, and there is one. Who gave you this t-shirt?
Thank you to our sponsor, Tita Roxanne.
Aywa, so yeah, look at that guys. Ishan has a good setup now. He has a Itisalat t-shirt. And one, of course, madam. How are you, madam? Today? Huh?
This is from Ansar Gallery.
Sponsor from Ansar Gallery. So for me guys, look at my t-shirt. This is sponsor from UIPs. Look at that. So yeah.
That is from Miracle.
Look at the airplane. So, hindi marinig eh. Yan guys, daanan kasi dito ng airplane dito banda sa lugar na to. So yan. How are you today?
Nakakapagod pala mag-bike.
How about you? Happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy because you have been new.
I'm thinking where to eat. I'm hungry.
Of course guys, where to eat if they're hungry. Alam nyo na kung ano yung setup natin. For you where? We have to vote. For where?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
For you strawberry?
We can make
For me Pakdarbar. Pakdarbar. Agree?
Okay.
Not agree?
Fish.
Ah?
Fish.
Let's go to face.
Yes, Fez, let's go.
Peace. Okay, let's go guys. So ngayon punta tayo ng Facebook.
Yeah, may libreng sabaw doon. May libreng sabaw.
Dahil may libre sabaw.
Doon na tayo sa sabaw.
About
Tapos
you.
isang parata, hati-hati.
About isang don't drink sabaw.
Chicken parata. Oh, that's like, that's like a...
So guys, yan, look at that guys, yan, Eid al-Ittihad. So kahit nasa Karakchay, nilalagyan nila ng Eid al-Ittihad kasi 53 National Day ngayon dito sa United Arab Emirates. So yan. So galing ah. So yan guys, of course, as usual, palagi nating sinasabi after biking. As usual, palagi nating sinasabi after biking. Yan, dito tayo sa kain. Tukatisan. Kishan's favorite is parata. Look at that. You want to drink karakchay? We're not drinking karakchay.
You drink already this.
How's the food? Do you want to promote? This is from
Oh, take your,
Face.
ano.
Yan guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Face. Face, yan. Yeah, this is Face. So yan guys, our always favorite. Look at that. This is not shawarma. This is parata shawarma. Like parata. Parata. Can you tell me the experience? Good?
For 5 dirhams lang to, ha? And look how massive it is. Not open. 5 dirhams. And not only that, it tastes really good, you know? It tastes like chicken tikka, but not spicy. And it's crispy.
Give me shot.
1, 2, 3.
And madam, forgot how to say Bismillah.
I say already before Bismillah.
How is it? How is it?
I was looking for the chicken because it's rolling down.
Chicken or no?
There is. It's like ano, chicken wrap.
It's juicy, you know?
There is 3 mayonnaise.
I
and
like
ketchup.
mayonnaise, please. Mayonnaise is my favorite, okay? Even my stomach is full of mayonnaise.
Thank you to the UAE for giving me, my parents a good work, and for giving me a good future ahead, and the opportunity to live here because we are OFW, and the UAE made it easy for us to be getting salary, to be having good life. So I really thank you. Eid al-Ittihad Sa'id.
So yan guys, again, nagde-dismount tayo dahil dito may mga place dito na hindi ka pwedeng mag-bike. So kailangan mong mag-dismount, nakalagay doon. Otherwise, pag nakita ng pulis yung nagbabike ka doon sa restricted area para sa magbike, kukunin yung bike mo. So sayang naman pag nakuha tong bike natin, wala tayong pambili ng bike. Yan. Still, where is the board saying that you can bike? There is no board. Where? So guys, tingnan mo what this means.
I think you're
Not allowed to bike here. So
you're not allowed to park the bike here.
not park. This is not park. That is meaning bike is not allowed. Tell me.
But there's also this map there.
So guys, what is that sign means? Tell me.
Not allowed here.
Yeah,
Parking or biking?
it means let's burn the bike.
It's missing burn the bike. So guys, again, we have to walk. Hello Jollibee. So look at that guys. Hello Pinoy. Jollibee. Uy, Jollibee. Isa sa pinaka-famous na Jollibee dito sa Dubai. Al Riga Jollibee. You like Jollibee?
Yeah, too much.
You should support Jollibee because you're a Filipino, you
Yeah,
know?
with the spaghetti and mango pie.
I like mango pie really. For Jollibee guys, I like mango pie. And Dunkin'
If
Donuts.
I'm eating Jollibee, I'm not eating rice. I'm eating with spaghetti.
Wow, so you can make spaghetti at home.
No.
Your spaghetti is more tasty than Jollibee spaghetti. Your spaghetti is with love, you know?
It's easy to buy. Than cook.
So look this place guys, like super beautiful. Look at that. The design is, what happened? So the design, see, look at that Ishan. Look at the place, like garden city of Samar. Wow.
Garden City of Badas.
Ati kataoy. Badas.
No bikes allowed.
So ayan guys, look at that. Ito yung Algorer. Look at that, napakaganda niyan. It's a beautiful place to walk around.